My people, I just want to remind you that distance is not a barrier to the move of God. Distance is not a barrier to the move of God. As you pray with me here, any situation that you are going through shall transform. As long as you have faith, wherever you are, as you pray with me, listening to me, listening to my voice here, whatever I say, whatever I pray with you, if you have faith, your situation shall change. There's no way situation will remain the same. A woman, when he had a child who was demonic possessed, when he had Jesus that was around, when he read in Mark 7 verse 24-29, he went to Jesus and said, my daughter is much demonic possessed. When he went there, he kneeled down to Jesus, and then Jesus told him, go, your daughter is free. Jesus just sent his prayers there, and then the daughter, when the woman got home, found out the daughter is free, is lying down in the bed, free from the spirit that was attacking him. So be in faith as here and I'm here in Jesus' name. Just